Congratulations on purchasing your new Polar RS300X, and thank you for choosing Polar to help you achieve your goal. This is a quick video that will show you mostly everything you need to know to get started in just a few minutes. For a deeper look into the functionality of the RS300X, a video tutorial and complete user manual can be found at polarusa.com/support. When you open the package for the first time, you will see a wrist unit, transmitter, strap, and user manual. The wrist unit displays your heart rate and other data during training. The transmitter set sends your heart rate signal wirelessly to the wrist unit. Depending on the package that you purchased, you may also have the S1 FootPod or G1 GPS sensor. This video will focus on getting started with the RS300X without these additional sensors. The RS300X wrist unit has 5 buttons which are really easy to use. The top right button is to scroll up in menu. The bottom right button is to scroll down in the menu. The red button on the face is an OK Start button. The bottom left button is the back Exit button, and the top left button is to activate the backlight. One thing to remember, no matter where you are in the menu, pressing and holding the back Exit button will return you to the main display. When you first take the wrist unit out, hit the OK Start button to activate. Start by setting the language you would like to use. Remember, top right goes up, bottom right goes down, and the red button will enter when you find the correct language. Once you have the language set, you will be asked to enter some basic settings, and upon completing those settings, the wrist unit will take you back to the main display. Now you are ready to start training. Start by wetting the electrodes on the back of the strap and put the transmitter on and attach the transmitter. From the main display on the wrist unit, hit the OK Start button once. When the wrist unit detects your heart rate, you are ready to go. Hit the OK Start button again to start the workout. During the exercise, you have a few different screens to view. Scroll with the top or bottom right buttons to navigate through each view. The RS300X gives you the ability to structure training phases, also known as intervals. For a comprehensive look at this feature, visit polarusa.com/support and check out the RS300X tutorial. If you have to pause the recording during your exercise, press the back button once. And to continue, press the OK Start button once. To time or record a lap at any time, press the red button. And when you are finished with your exercise and would like to stop the recording, press the back button twice. To view any of your previous 16 exercise files, scroll with the top or bottom right buttons from the main display to find the File menu and hit the OK button to enter. Also, for long-term storage of your exercise files, use the FlowLink accessory to easily download data from your wrist unit to polarpersonaltrainer.com. Our free online training diary. Visit youtube.com/polarusa for a video on polarpersonaltrainer.com. So what are your next steps? First, register your new Polar at polarusa.com and sign up for the Polar newsletter, so we can keep improving our products and you can keep up to date with everything Polar. Second, while on polarusa.com, also check out the Training with Polar section for resources that will give you the guidance and motivation you need to help you achieve your goal. And third, if you have any questions, remember that we are here to help. Connect with us through Facebook, Twitter, or by clicking on the Support tab on polarusa.com. Welcome to the Polar community, and we look forward to being your training partner.